Hi, it's me again, Patty Frucci with My Florida Dreams. If you are into some lake living, we have a house for you. We are at 7924 Desoto Drive, and this is the beautiful view of the lake in this large covered patio. This is a huge home with so many amenities, I can't even name them all. New dock out here, if you're into doing some kayaking, a little paddle boarding. Beautiful views of the lake. We have Frank, the egress, that comes up and visits. So you could have a free pet with the price of the home. Large patio and a large screened-in lanai off the side room. We're going to walk around through the shed area, and this home also has an extra large shed and an area that you can slide the doors back and park your car in. So it comes with like a garage, or you could use it as storage, another sitting area, whatever would work best for you. Going down the hall here, now we're looking right into the garage area. It's huge. It would even fit a truck, so think about that. A nice covered carport. And as we enter the home, we are in the laundry room. So it has inside laundry. The floors have all been redone with subfloor and nice updated vinyl plank laminate. Updated kitchen cabinets. This home is huge. Nice dining room open to the kitchen and a living room, so you have a nice entertaining area. Built-in cabinetry, little coffee bar. Master bedroom is in the front of the property, with a huge walk-in closet. Everything you see here does stay with the property. Not quite turnkey, but a lot of furnishings are here. Nice big bathroom with double vanity. Walk-in shower. Going out into the main living area, it has a huge living room in the center of the home. Nice vaulted ceilings in here, gives it a little airy feeling. Lots of windows. Guest bedroom is to the rear of the home with a nice view of the lake, and the guest bath. So they have their own little area. So this is a split floor plan for the bedrooms, nice and private for both parties. That door needs a little WD-40. you see, we're still in the living room. And now around to our left is this huge family room that also overlooks the lake. And is vaulted as well. So what do you think? This house is great. It's not gonna last long, so give me a call quick, 317-709-4282. Thanks.